Okay. Okay, that's all right. We'll just let everybody know that it's got a cylinder that needs replacement for the tilt. So this unit here needs a little brake work on it.
I could hear the airline leaking. There's an airline still leaking somewhere in it. The air part of the system's been pretty much rebuilt. The hydraulic side needs work. It needs a master cylinder, and I don't know what else it may need on the air side.
So right now you're just stopping it by putting it in gear, switching gears?
Automatic transmission, I'm using the shifter to stop it.
Okay. And the front has a tilt side by side, but that cylinder has a dent in it that needs to be replaced.
No, that's the shift cylinder that has
the shift cylinder. Okay, the shift cylinder.
The one that tilts it is leaking real bad. It should be a good rebuildable cylinder.
Okay. That sounds good. This is a great running diesel unit, plenty of power, ready to go.